Hello, welcome to this video on the effect of a change in variable cost on output for a profit maximizing firm in perfect competition. What will we have a look at in this video? We'll first explain what the effect is of a change in variable cost on the output decision of a firm in perfect competition. We will also have a look at the diagram and see what the effect is of a change in variable cost. Let's have a look at the scenario that we've seen before. A company is selling for a price of $350. The fixed costs are $30,000 and the cost for 1 unit of labor is $2,000. As we've seen before, we use marginal analysis to make our decision regarding output. We're looking for the point where marginal cost equals marginal revenue. If the company were to hire one more worker, the cost would exceed revenues, and therefore the company decides to hire 6 workers to produce 140 units of output. But to what extent will this decision change if the cost for 1 unit of labor would increase by $2,000 to $4,000 per unit of labor? What is then the effect on the output the firm will produce? Let's return to our marginal analysis. Currently, one worker will cost $2,000. In the scenario, this changed to $4,000. That means that both variable cost as well as total cost change. That means that our average costs are changing, but also our marginal cost. The one thing that doesn't change is our marginal revenue, the price that we receive for our product, the sales price of $350. What is now interesting is to see that our marginal cost at the number of workers of 5 is 200, but now at 6 it's 400. This means that the company will no longer hire 6 workers, it will decide to hire 1 worker less, because hiring the 6th worker in this new scenario leads to a loss on any additional output. So the conclusion is that a change in the variable cost influences the marginal cost, so this will influence the output decision. Consequently, the level of profit maximizing output will also change. Let's have a look at our diagram. Initially, the company will produce 20 units of output. Given this change, the marginal cost curve will shift to the left. We've also seen that the average costs have increased. Profit maximizing output is still at MC equals MR. What you should notice is that at this level, AC exceeds AR. In other words, the company has an economic loss. In the next video, we'll have a look at perfect competition in practice.